Okay, now in the editing window for each of your panoramas, the remaining buttons here, there's only really one that you're able to use. If you use the 3D button, that just tells you a message. So it tells you that you could upload these kinds of images to make it 3D for VR. However, now we don't really need to do that. This will now do it automatically. So that button's a little bit old and unnecessary. Unfortunately, they haven't updated the code to work very well with iPhones. It used to, but Apple changed their settings. And so now, if you're trying to view these tours using an iPhone, you're not going to be very successful. They will have this fixed in the future, but as of now, they haven't been able to add the little code. However, this still does do stereoscopic 3D view in Android. All right, moving on then. We have replace the panorama. Let's say you don't like this one and you'd like to replace it with another one. So here, this will go into any folder with pictures that you might have, and you can just replace the panorama that you have now with something else. We like what we have, so we don't need to do that. And then finally, there is the download the original file. You can see that it says Pro accounts only. Because we're just free users and we haven't paid, we're unable to download this. However, you can go ahead and give people the link so that they can go and view it on the Roundme website.